What are the 3 hot topics that I think are the most important to think about right now, those that are shaping the world economy? Well, I am Jeffrey Roach, Chief Economist for LPL Financial, and in this edition of the Econ Market Minute, I want to give you my top 3 of the 3 hot topics right now that are affecting both the global economy and the markets. And I recently gave a speech to a partner firm. I shared what I thought were the hot topics of the day. So here, please take a listen.
I'm highlighting 3 hot topics that I think are worth talking through, thinking through, chewing on, debating, and they are the following: inflation, recession, the Fed. Hot topic number 1 is the inflation story. What counts to investors is the duration and direction. And clearly, a lot of folks got excited about the turnover in durable goods prices. Not only that, but think about the costs before it comes to the consumer. So import prices, producer prices, what about costs of shipping? So a number of those statistics have clearly come off peak. That nagging metric of shelter, which includes the imputed value, is quite a sticky stat right now. So the inflation story is one hot topic. I think the second big hot topic is the recession story. It's so important to remember the historical context and the big picture. The economy is not the markets. The markets are forward-looking, pricing in today what expectations are about for tomorrow, if you will. And I think it's helpful when you sit down with Mr. and Mrs. Client to remember and remind them that when you think about shocks in the economy, whether it's recessions or major shocks like oil embargoes and things of that nature, going all the way back to the 20s, you have a massive bear market sell-off. Well, over 90% of the time by the next 12 months, the market's up very strong. Third hot topic, in my view, is the Fed. So central banking is paramount in terms of understanding strength of the dollar, understanding what kind of tools do they have. One of the things that I think is helpful to think through is that the Fed has 0 tools to address supply shocks. They're all about aggregate demand.
These 3 concerns are all interrelated, as you know. The Fed is charged with managing price stability, and at this point in the cycle, the Fed has said already that the economy will likely experience the pain of a dramatic slowdown as they break the back of inflation. So we are at an important inflection point right now in the real economy and in the markets. So as more metrics could start blinking red, sticking to long-term investing plans with the guidance from a financial professional is becoming more and more important. Well, that's all for now. And please be sure to follow us on the social media platforms that we have, and take care.